Our world is, a canvas of extraordinary wonders. It's filled with shapes and forms that defy expectations. We see faces in the clouds. We see figures in the mountains. Sometimes nature makes something so precise it seems intentional. Islands shaped like a heart are among the most captivating. A simple, universal symbol of love and life, when sculpted by Earth's forces, resonates deeply within us. It reminds us this planet isn't just a rock hurtling through space, but a living, breathing entity, expressing beauty that speaks to our emotions. Why does a heart-shaped island capture our imagination so profoundly? Maybe because the heart is the core of our being, the engine of life itself. Seeing that shape in nature connects us on a fundamental level. It suggests a shared pulse, a common rhythm between humanity and Earth. These islands become destinations of the heart, places of pilgrimage for lovers, dreamers, and those seeking a tangible connection to the planet's romantic soul. Deep within the vast, shimmering expanse of the Pacific Ocean, far from the bustling shipping lanes, the well-trodden tourist paths, lies a secret. An island known to only a few, hidden from human eyes for centuries. This is Isla Corazón, the island of the heart. Nestled in a seldom-visited archipelago, a cluster of volcanic remnants dot the deep blue like emeralds. Its isolation is its protection, a veil preserving its pristine nature and secret, shielding it from the modern world for eons. The discovery of its unique shape was pure chance, not by ancient mariners or intrepid explorers. Instead, a mid-20th century pilot named Arthur Vance, on a meteorological survey, charting weather over an overlooked quadrant of sea. A sudden storm blew him off course. Clouds began to part, revealing islands below. He descended to get his bearings, and saw the impossible. To see Isla Corazón from above is an experience that borders on the spiritual. From the air, its magnificent form is fully revealed. Two perfect lobes at the crown, sweeping down with graceful symmetry to a delicate, pointed tip. So precise it feels sculpted with loving care. A tapestry of 1,000 greens wrapped by a ribbon of white sand, framed by water that fades from pale turquoise to profound indigo. You can almost feel the canopy's velvet, the rock's rough bones, the powder-soft shore. A living artwork shifting with light, weather, and tide. It is a view that silences the mind and opens the heart. A symbol that everyone understands instinctively. From the heavens, it is a declaration, a testament to artistry born of chaos. Whether in person or in pictures, the impact is immediate and universal. Disbelief gives way to wonder, then quiet contemplation. It evokes love, romance, connection, an icon for couples and dreamers alike. It suggests love is woven into the fabric of the planet, a comforting, uplifting thought. Stepping onto Isla Corazón feels like entering a lost world, a botanical paradise untouched by time. Air thick with the scent of flowers and damp, earthy soil. Towering banyans filter the sun in a dappled green glow. A world of layers and astonishing diversity. Fern fronds unfurl, primordial and lush. Orchids bloom, vibrant purples, fiery oranges, pristine whites. Vines as thick as an arm bind the forest into a living web. A rich organic floor constantly renewing life. The tear of love, a bell-shaped crimson jewel found nowhere else. At the right hour, a single glistening drop appears. Vegetation captures rain, filtering it through volcanic stone. Springs feed streams that vanish into porous ground or reach the sea. Fresh water, the lifeblood of the island. A green heart beating with vitality. The island hums, chirps, and rustles with life. The endemic Corazón sunbird, its beak shaped for the tear of love. Armies of crabs, nature's cleanup crew. Lizards and geckos thrive in sunlit niches. The island's life extends into crystal waters. Reefs teem with color and motion. Shimmering clouds of fish weave through living coral. Ancient turtles glide by day, nest on white sands by night. The reef protects shores and raises new life. Land and sea, one connected web. Every great beauty gathers stories. Isla Corazón is no exception. Two young lovers from rival shores, Anaya and Mano. Their love, forbidden and concealed. They fled into the unknown. A storm tore them apart. She wept each day, her tears watering the soil. He survived, marooned across the heart. Despair drove him to the highest cliff. A cry, a look, a sprint, a tearful embrace. The gods, moved by love, blessed the island, shaped it into a heart. Lover's Leap, a name of reunion, not tragedy. The tale adds human emotion to geological wonder. The island symbolizes the heart overcoming impossible odds. Places like Isla Corazón challenge our perception of the world. Nature feels chaotic, yet reveals exquisite order. A perfect heart, hexagonal stone, spiraled shells, masterpieces in plain sight. The world becomes a gallery of living art. Our brains are wired to find patterns and meaning. A heart in the landscape triggers powerful emotion. It fosters belonging, a sense of hidden order beneath the chaos. Images transform statistics into something precious. Beauty becomes a catalyst for protection. We preserve not just ecology, but aesthetics and spirit, symbols that inspire care for the whole planet. Proof the world is still full of surprise, beauty, and mystery. They urge us to explore, look closer, and stay open to wonder. From a pilot lost in a storm to legends on the wind, Isla Corazón is chance, science, and story. Impersonal forces conspiring to create something deeply personal. A symbol of love set in a turquoise sea. It teaches sanctuary, complexity, and our role as custodians. The Earth has shown us its heart.